Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin, and this is the Real Laptop Lifestyle. Now, today's video is on the subject of autopilot, should I say, affiliate marketing software. And yes, there is some, and it's marvelous. So let's get straight into it. It's the same old problem. Selling and marketing consumes probably 90% of your daily time every day. And it's not getting any easier. In fact, it's getting probably worse. And the preparation time of making marketing funnels is huge. What do I mean by a marketing funnel? Well, basically, that's the process you take your customers through to get them to parting with some money and coming back to you again and again and again. You see, if you're going to do it online, and I hope you are, because that's the most sensible way of doing it nowadays, well, you've either got to have the skills yourself or you have to pay somebody else to do it. And as you probably know, this can be very expensive and certainly very time consuming with your valuable time. So what you're about to discover is how you can cut this process, the funnel making, to an absolute bare minimum. And I'm not joking. You could do the whole thing probably what takes 7 or 8 hours in 5 minutes. I'm not joking. Stay with me. This will give you time to concentrate on more important tasks, making money and things like that, resulting in more fun, more time, more money, and of course, more freedom. Here's the usual process. If you're going to do it yourself, well, you have to start by designing and configuring a landing page, where your people, where your prospects, your visitors arrive at. And when you've done that, you've got to create your download or thank you page. Now, you could be doing a few things here. You might be signing them straight into your own autoresponder, or you could be trying to sell them something directly. And if you're smart, you'll probably be taking them through a funnel. So rather than trying to make one sale, especially if it's a big product, smack on, you want to be able to actually take them through a funnel that answers all the questions they may be thinking and such like. And so for that reason, you might want to take them into your autoresponder, get them through, well, get them onto your sequence of answers before you try selling them. This all takes time. So you also want to decide if you're going to employ upsells and downsells. You see, when somebody's actually purchased, that's the best time to try and sell them something else, because very often they've got the wallet open, they're in a buying mood and they will buy easily. However, if they haven't bought from you, you might want to offer them a downsell. A downsell would mean that you offer them probably half the product. Maybe it's too expensive for them, so you offer them a more limited product or service at a lesser price. And of course that works like gangbusters. So there's a lot to do in these funnel creation processes. And of course you have to configure your autoresponder. That means you're going to write your emails and configure it all to work and go on certain days. This is so time consuming, and putting even a simple funnel together is often a full day's process, even for me. As I already mentioned, I'm about to show you how you can do this in just minutes. So by complete contrast, I want you to now imagine doing the whole process in probably 5 minutes. I want to introduce you to a product called Affiliate Engine, and we'll have a look at it in just a moment. Why this software? Well, first of all, it's going to save you tons and tons of time. What hourly price do you put on your time? I think for me it's about 45, 50 pound an hour. That's what I like to charge, or that's what I will charge as a very minimum. So if you look at an 8-hour day, that'd be 400 pounds. And if I could do what takes me 8 hours to do in just a few minutes, then I've saved 400 pounds. But if I could do the same thing again tomorrow and the day after, then that product saving, that time saving, that money saving starts to add up and becomes considerable. Now with this product, you can build out niches and funnels without restriction. They're not saying, well, you can only do 2 of these and it has to be in this marketplace. It is unlimited. It's 100% newbie friendly. Now, I don't care whether you're experienced at marketing or you are new to it, you'll be able to use this. The software and the process is simple, as you're about to see. There's no technical skills actually required. Now, this allows you to scale and grow your profits and commissions in just minutes. Now, you might be using this for selling affiliate products, or you might be using it for selling your own products or services, or for other reasons, or just building email lists. You can use it for anything, and it's really going to serve you very well. They're also going to show you how you can use this exact piece of software to bank $150 in net profit on a daily basis. So that's the bonus they're giving you. It comes with step-by-step video training, and it's got 24/7 dedicated support desk software, or a support desk. Now, that is so important, because when something doesn't work for you, when you don't quite understand something, you want someone to help you now, not in 3 days' time, because otherwise you break momentum and you've got to go and find something else to do. So 24/7 support desk software is what you need. Let me show you this. Okay, I've moved over this side just to fool you. There's a few things I wanted to show you here. It installs in just seconds with one click. I think it's a plugin which makes it very easy, especially if you're using WordPress. It automates and deploys done-for-you sales funnels that you can generate instant commissions in just 60 seconds. Automatically follows up with your customers. Now, I hope you understand this. Rather than having to use an autoresponder, it's all included. I mean, my autoresponder costs probably about $150, $160 a month just to run. This is included. Enables you to generate your first commissions almost instantly. Now, I know that's an upsell. I'll tell you about that in just a moment. It helps anyone make money. Just repeating ourselves again here, it's 100% newbie friendly, enabling anyone to cash in without marketing or technical experience, and unlimited niches and funnels. So I've got some bonuses for you. So let me tell you how you get those. Right below this video, you'll find a link. And if you click that, it will bring you straight the way through to this page. Now, this is my bonus page. And what I've done here is I've made up a new page, and it's going to tell you how this one-click software deploys done-for-you sales funnels and helps to make you instant commissions within 60 seconds. Now, there are two videos here. They're very powerful videos. The first one makes a good case why you should be using this software. But the second one, I'm not going to play it all through now and watch it with you, but the second one shows you how to use it. Okay, so you can see very quickly how easy this is to use. So what's all this going to cost? You've probably seen it already. What I've just told you about is going to cost you $22.95. That's $22.95. And that gives you the software we just spoke about. However, you're really lucky because they've got some upsells, additions here that you can add on to this to make a lot more profit if you're interested. So let's call them upgrades. The first upgrade costs $37, and this is Affiliate Engine Pro. And what it does is it has a lot more features built in, and one of those features is retargeting. That means if somebody has been to your page and perhaps they went through to one or two pages, because the funnel can be 2 or 3 pages deep, they add that person directly to your retargeting list. Now, this is an invisible list. They have no idea that they've been on that list, but it works either through Google or Facebook or even both. And it builds a list for you, which means that you can then start sending them adverts saying, well, did you really mean to leave? Or even pushing them again. Now, just imagine you're selling a product. Sometimes people look at it and they're a bit interested. That's why I arrived there. But they need a bit more pushing. And affiliate retargeting allows you to do that, because you can immediately start sending out a series of images to them or adverts to them, which then get them back to that page or another page. Have you ever been to a website and once you've been there, suddenly they start turning up everywhere? It's almost as if you're being stalked. Well, that is retargeting. So by taking the first upgrade, this is going to give you retargeting and more features. The second upgrade is Affiliate engine affiliate engine agency. Now, this is the pro version, and it means that not only can you do it for yourself, but you can go and do it for other people. How much do people will pay for a funnel like this put together? They don't know it's only going to take a few minutes. You turn up and you offer them a good price, and they go, okay, or why not even offer them one for free? Let them try it out. You can always close it down again if they don't want to pay you. So let them have a look at it. Let them even try it out for free, and you could make hundreds of these. You could be making hundreds of these each day, and there's a big demand for it. So that's upgrade number 2, which is $67. Upgrade number 3 is Affiliate Engine DFY. In other words, it's done for you. They've got, I think, 10 funnels here, which you can just plug straight in, start making money out of instantly. Upgrade 4 is the Affiliate Engine Traffic Edition. Now, they've obviously got some sort of traffic solution in there. I don't know what it is, but if it's as good as the rest of their product, I'd be very interested in looking at it. Upgrade 5. Now, this is a beauty. This is just for $97. It means you can resell it. You can resell this product and all of the funnel and keep all of the profits. How about that? Anyway, I have 5 bonuses for you. If you click on the link directly below this video, it'll bring you through to this page. And what you have to do to get these bonuses is click on this button, buy through this button. And I'm going to give you Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. Now, I presume that you're interested in making money and driving traffic. And right now, Instagram is really hot on driving traffic. I've even started an Instagram channel myself, and it is driving traffic. You could do the same. How to explode your YouTube channel. This is something I'm working at very hard right now. And I for years, I didn't bother with it. I must have been a bit stupid. I didn't realize how much passive income you could make out of your YouTube channel. Now I do. Now I'm working on it. You might want to learn this also. I'm also going to give you a product called Printly. Now, I haven't used Printly. I haven't been into Printly, but I do know 2 people who do use it and make all of their income on it, all of their income, and they make nice weekly profits from this. So it's something, another string to your bow, if you like. As I know you want to drive traffic, I'm going to give you 2 premier Facebook products. And all of this is for you. They're included if you click on my link. So remember, just click on this link, the link directly below this video first of all, and it'll bring you through to this page. You can see how it works, and then if you click on this link, you'll get and you purchase, then you're going to get all of my bonuses. So there it is. Do you have any questions or comments? Because if you do, you can write them straight below this video, and I promise I'll answer them for you. I have a question. Are you going to use this? Are you going to consider it? And if not, please tell me why not, because I'd really be interested, because this is a very good offer. Please tell me if you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can tell me this by just clicking the little blue thumbs up button below. And please also subscribe to this channel. If you do this, it will help me, but it will also help you, because when you come to the YouTube channel, it'll tell you if I've made some more videos. I make them every few days. And rather than digging about and wondering, it'll be there for you straight away. If you want to click through to it, you can. So that's one way of keeping up with further information and profit generating information. Another way is by joining my profit generating email list. And to do that, just go to the front of my YouTube channel. That you won't see this little green arrow, but you can see what it's pointing at, which is a globe at the right of this page. Click that. That'll bring you straight through to this page where you can subscribe, and I'll keep you up to date with all new profit generating ideas. I'll keep you up to date with cutting edge technology, and I'll try and entertain you at the same time. So I look forward to speaking to you, perhaps in an email, maybe in my next video. Until then, thanks for joining me. It's been fun making this video for you. Bye bye for now.